What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video, and today I will be teaching you guys how to install Minecraft mods onto your PC. It is pretty simple. You just need Windows 11 and Minecraft. You have to pay for Minecraft. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so when you're on your desktop here, you want to go to Chrome here. Then you will need to download a software called CurseForge, which will take you to this website. Now, I know it may look scary, and there's a bunch of other games, since you can mod other games, but right now we gonna focus on Minecraft right now. So, to do it, you just get CurseForge app right here, and download an Overwolf or standalone. Both will affect you. Future-RipxTyshawn here is, and I'm going to tell you actually the difference between Overwolf and standalone. Standalone is basically CurseForge running by itself, and it's the main app that you get. However, Overwolf is basically its own app, and it makes CurseForge turn into a third-party app, which if you use Overwolf, then it's recommended. But in this scenario, I would choose standalone if you're just going to use mods. Okay. All right. Back to the video. You can choose which one you want. I would just do standalone to play it safe. When you install it, it will be in the top right here. You right click it and this will pop up on your screen, which all you have to do is press next. Admit you're 18 years old. You better not be doing this if you're 17. And then you're installing CurseForge. It takes a couple of minutes, or probably a minute, to install this. So when you get to the screen, this is not what's going to pop up. It's going to ask you to allow certain things so it can get on your computer. Just make sure you click allow on every single one of them and you will be perfectly fine. And then it will pop up to this screen and there would not be no mod packs on your screen right here. The only reason it is because I downloaded it. So you have the software, you have Minecraft. Now the last thing you have to do, just browse and find whatever mod you want to play. And that's it. And then you install it on your computer and that's it. Now, mind you, these mods take a lot of storage off your computer. So if you don't have a lot of storage or you don't have the best type of RAM, I wouldn't recommend downloading. However, if you have 32 RAM, you should be able to run Minecraft perfectly fine without no lagging or no issues. But if you have 16, it will be fine, but it may be a little lag, just a little tip. So if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.